Hi everyone, welcome to veganvv.com. Our free vegan recipes like this one are rolling out as much as we can on our website. You may also find vegan restaurants details and the food they serve. And more will come. Vegan people start to share their personal vegan experience on veganvv.com. We hope these give you confidence and plenty solutions to become a vegan. It will benefit yourself, benefit our environment, and it will benefit our Mother Earth. Enjoy discovering the world of vegan. We are now making gold kiwi soy milkshake. The material in this milkshake is surprisingly nutritional. Kiwi fruits are high in vitamin C and dietary fiber and provide a variety of health benefits. Kiwi can help stimulate regular and healthy digestion. Kiwi can stimulate the body's immune response. Kiwi protects body from inflammation and disease. Kiwi fruits reduce risk of stroke and heart disease. Kiwi help lower LDL, bad cholesterol. Kiwi fruits help reduce constipation. Kiwi fruits reduce asthma symptoms. Kiwi aids in prevent eye disease and promote overall ocular health. Soy or soybeans provide many health benefits to us. Soy may reduce risk of cardiovascular diseases, some cancers, and improve bone health. Soy provides high-quality protein. Soy may reduce menopausal symptoms. Soy may also lower bad cholesterol levels. We're going to be aware of soy allergies as well. Protein is an important part of a healthy diet. They are made up of chemical building blocks called amino acids. Our body uses amino acids to build and repair muscles, bones, and make hormones and enzymes. Amino acids are the fundamental units of protein. They can also be used as energy source. Essential amino acids are the amino acids that we can't build them naturally by our body. We must get them through our diet. There are 9 essential amino acids. They are histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and valine. Soy is one of the 3 plants that has them all. Soy is a legume that provides complete protein. Supermarket soy milk are fine for this recipe. Homemade soy milk is much cheaper. On veganvv's website, you may find quite a number of recipes for homemade soy milk. In major supermarkets, 1 liter of soy milk costs between 2 to 3 Australian dollars.
$3 a liter for such high-quality protein. That's not expensive. I may drink it every day.
We need 1 kiwi fruit. A ripe kiwi will be the best choice. A 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. It's more than enough for me to bring out the kiwi taste. All the materials and ingredients of this recipe can be found on veganvv's website, recipe section. You may watch the guide on how to use veganvv.com towards the end of this video. Wash the kiwi fruit. Peel off its skin. Cut it into small pieces. Add the kiwi pieces into the milkshake cup or a blender. Add a little bit of sugar. Pour soy milk into the cup. Start the machine. Shake it thoroughly. If I want more bubbles, I may shake it 2 or 3 times.
Mummy, may I have the kiwi skin?
Sure you can, Billy.
Mom, thank you. Small bowl, my small bowl. Mummy, look, I fixed the bowl. It's bouncing now. I'm hungry. May I have milk now?
Come, Billy boy, come.
Kiwi is the main character of this milkshake. The bubbled golden kiwi milkshake is for those who love the fresh and nature fruit taste with bitter fruit sour and astringency. The 1/4 teaspoon level of sugar has successfully brought out kiwi's fresh fruity sour and astringency when it is still young. Kiwi fruit itself is fruity sweet when you taste the chunk that is still left in the shake. This milkshake let me taste its young and its mature sweet chunky at the same time. The best part I like is its aftertaste. The fresh can be in my mouth for quite a while. just to align with the morning breeze. Hope this quick guide may help you easily find information on veganvv.com. The nature has given us plenty plants for our food. We classify them into 5 categories: vegetables, fruits, grains, dried, and transitions. Users don't have to know the name of the plants. Move the cursor on the computer or move your finger on your mobile phone. Each plant has an image. This will help you easily identify which plant you are after. When you click this plant's page appears. It will tell you the nutritional benefits of this plant, as well as recipes of the plants. To take the advantage of all these nutritional benefits, try the recipes.
Excuse me, I want to read it quickly. May I click this surprised man to listen to these benefits?
Surprise? It's shocking. To listen to this article, you may click this arrow below the blue line. Nutritional benefits of button mushrooms. According to article written by Miss Irene Lan, another example. Let's go to Plenty Food, Dried, and choose soybeans. Once you click the soybean page comes up. In the soybean page, you may find the health benefits of soybeans and lists of all recipes using soybeans. A page may only list 12 recipes. Click More Recipes at the bottom to view more recipes. Click any of the recipe you like. Let's try Mango Soybean Milk Shake. Mango Soybean Milk Shake recipe page is coming up. You may watch the videos on how to make mango soybean milkshake. You may find the materials, ingredients, tips, others, and procedures of the recipe. You may also share this recipe via Facebook, WeChat, X, Pinterest, or Line. If you are looking for vegan recipe ideas for breakfast, lunch and dinner, snacks, or drinks and soaps, just click them next to the procedure. For example, breakfast ideas. All recipes that are suitable for breakfast come up in breakfast page. Click any photo of the recipe you like, the recipe page will pop up. Vegan Vivi's recipe aim for better health outcome. Majority of them don't use much oil or don't use oil. They use low sugar or no sugar, low salt or no salt. You may also get these ideas by going to Recipes and choose any drop-down menu. Transitions introduce vegan meat, vegan dairy, and vegan milk products. Most of them are plant-based manufacturing products. The products help people to transit from meat, dairy, or cow milk to vegan diet. You may also find homemade vegan milk recipes in Transitions page. For those who are still hesitating to go vegan, you may look at the Choose page. People are telling you their own personal experience after becoming a vegan. Vegan VV are caring for all lives on Earth. We want to protect our planet by all means. Some useful tips like how to become a vegan can be found on the home page. For your convenience, Vegan VV provides a search function. Search function is on the top right corner or at the bottom of the site. Users can search for particular plants, an illness, or any recipes. For example, I got broccoli in my fridge. How am I going to cook my broccoli today? Type in broccoli. Open the broccoli page. Great! Broccoli has many nutritional benefits. Scroll down. Recipes to use broccoli are here. I may open any of these recipes to cook my broccoli accordingly. If you are suffering from diabetes, type in diabetes. All plants that is good or bad for diabetes comes up. We got 141 results here for diabetes. You may go to each plant page for more details. The search function displays 9 results per display. Scroll to the bottom, click Next page for other results. Having noodles for the meal is quick and easy. Search noodle. There are many noodle recipes on veganvv.com. So far, nearly 5 pages of vegan noodle recipes. Search burger. 30 burger recipes appear. There will be more. All recipes have video teaching. This may help you follow the recipe quicker. You may subscribe to Vegan VV with your name, email address, and your own password. Vegan VV has 2 language versions, English and Chinese. You may switch between these 2 languages at any page by clicking the language buttons on the top right corner. Our vision is a narrative description by Vegan Vivi from a professional perspective, encompassing both natural and human sciences. Veganism is only one part of the industrial revolution necessary to reverse the fate of the earth. In this sweeping wave of transformation, every industry, not only food and energy, will face unprecedented challenges. We hope our perspective can serve as a foundation, helping you swiftly move beyond hesitation, follow your conscience, and recognize another door that is opening for you. Vegan restaurants are being listed on Dine Out page. It takes some time to upload the map. You are lucky if there are local vegan dining places in your area. You may go and eat directly. If there's no local vegan places, browse through the vegan places in other areas. Get a feeling of their brilliant vegan food ideas. It could be very helpful for you, especially for those who want to start their own vegan business. Being a vegan yourself is quite crucial to a successful vegan business. Vegan Vivi will continue to list vegan eating places in more countries and continents. The world is fast approaching to an all-vegan global community. Hope Vegan Vivi may help you to ride on the wheels and benefit yourself from all aspects of this trend. With more and more vegan recipes and vegan dining places coming on Vegan Vivi website, you may visit veganvivi.com as often as you can. Thank you. Veggie, vegetable, vegetables, vegetables, fruits, grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, red or green, purple or white, yellow or bright. When zucchini rolls, together with the bike we ride, to welcome the sun that shines on us. And dance on the tomato. We are so lucky to be a vegan that we may pump up our health for our family, that we are as energetic as we hope. What a wonderful world it could be when all of us are vegan. Fish, fish, fish. They were nearly gone under if people didn't bring them out from the market and hold them free into the water. The place where they can breathe. The place they belong to. And the place they can be with their family. Being a vegan is so wonderful. Join us. Join us. Join us. Join us. Fish, fish, fish. There's once when they were released into the water, they are swimming to form circles and heart. They are saying thank you in their way. Oh, we can hear it. That's a thank you from their heart, from Mother Earth, from the universe. Vegan creates new business opportunities everywhere in the world. Vegan brings employment after employment at your doorstep. Vegan or becoming a vegan? Please help us out. Help the world out by sharing. Share your personal vegan experience. Share your favorite vegan recipes. Share the vegan restaurants you like. And offer more help if you can, such as translate veganvivi.com into your native languages. For details, go to homepage at veganvivi.com. Let's move forward to better life of us, to Mother Earth's better life, and to our future. Thank you. See you soon.